Hello my lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe down below. Today I'm going to show you guys how to insert a breast cup into your princess that bustier. I'm actually shocked that I don't have a video like this on my channel already, because I have loads of videos on princess that bustier, drafting, cutting, sewing, all of that. So it's actually weird that I don't have a video on how to insert a breast cup in your princess that bustier. Although I have a video on how to pad your princess that bustier with a breast pad. Now a breast pad is quite different from a breast cup. If you're confused, a breast pad is just a piece of fabric that is fusible. By fusible, it means that you can actually use an iron to stick it to your fabric. That's what a breast pad is, and it's quite thick. And once you use it to pad your bustier, you're able to get that structure for your princess that bustier. So I have a video on how to pad and iron a princess that bustier with a breast pad. If you want to watch that video, the link is going to be in the description box down below. However, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to add a breast cup to your princess that bustier. I'm quite excited, I don't know why. I think it's because I haven't filmed in a long while. Anyway, that's not the point. Now, before we get into the practical aspect of inserting your breast cup in your princess that bustier, let's talk about the size of the breast cup you should be using anyway. You can't just go and buy any breast cup and expect it to fit right on you. Just like we have different bra sizes, we also have different breast cup sizes. With your breast cup, the sizes are basically even numbers. So you have 32, 34, 36, 38, so all even numbers. Now, for you to know what exact size you should be getting, what you have to do is to measure your bust circumference. Now, your bust circumference is simply the area around the fullest part of your bust. Basically, that's what it is. Now, once you've gotten your bust circumference, for example, my bust circumference is 35 inches. Now, like I mentioned, the breast cup comes in even numbered sizes. So you have 34, 36, but you have no 35. And my bust circumference is 35. So I can decide to either go a size up or a size down. Without further ado, let's just get right into the actual process of inserting your breast cup into your princess that bustier.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
These are the breast cups that I'm using. I'm using a size 34. My bust circumference is 35 inches, so I just went a size down. Yeah, so basically you could go a size down or up depending on what you want. Now this is my princess that bustier. I've already sewn it and I've ironed the seams open. Now I'm placing the bottom part of the breast cup on the under bust point, and then I'm just pinning it. Now make sure that you're pinning the center part of the breast cup. By center, I mean the center of the bottom of the breast cup, if that makes sense. Now I'm turning it to the right side, just making sure that my fabric is laying flat on the breast cup, because you don't want to attach your breast cup and the fabric is folding. That's just wrong. So once I'm sure that everything is nice and flat, I'm just pinning the top part of the breast cup to the fabric. Now flipping it to the wrong side again, I'm just trying to see how I can get the rest of the fabric flat on the breast cup so I can pin the sides as well. So I'm just pinning the right side. Again, make sure that the fabric lays flat on the breast cup. That is very, very important. You can actually put a notch on the bottom part of the breast cup at the center, so that you know exactly where to pin it at the underbust point. And now that's one breast cup inserted completely. Now I'm going to move on to insert the second breast cup. Again, I'm placing the center point of the bottom part of the breast cup on the underbust point, and then I'm just pinning it at that point. Now you have to make sure that the two breast cups align, so don't go and place and pin the breast cup at a different point, maybe higher or lower than the point where you pin the first one you actually attached. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but try to make sure that both of them align. Now I'm just pinning the side as well, making sure that the fabric is flat on the breast cup. That's just the most important thing, to be honest. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to tack on those, or tack those 4 points rather. And then once I tack them, I'm going to go ahead and take out the pins. So I'm just tacking it at all 4 points. Now when you're tacking, make sure that your thread and needle actually gets to the fabric, and make sure that you're not just tacking just the breast cup alone. Make sure that you're tacking the fabric together with the breast cup, just so that it doesn't pull off. Now if you tack it and then your thread ends up just holding your interfacing or your soft gum, whatever it is you use to gum your fabric, it's not good enough because it could pull out. So you want it to be very, 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 very secure. So just tack it, go over it back and forth a couple of times, just to make sure that it's secure. Because once you cover it with the lining and everything, if it pulls out, it's going to be a hassle to get to the breast cup again. So basically that's just how to insert your breast cup. It's very simple, very easy. I just thought I should teach you guys this because I don't have any video talking about breast cups or anything like that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. This is the back, or the wrong side, and I'm going to show you the right side. This is what the right side looks like as well. Now this is a halter neck dress that I'm making, and this is basically what it looks like once I've attached the choker for the whole halter neck dress and all. I have a tutorial on this. I'm going to upload the tutorial for this dress next week, so definitely stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe so that you're notified when I upload this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.